Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the iMACx Spy Camera Pen. You can get this product on Amazon for about $34. Check out the link in the description. The pen comes with 3 ink tube replacements, a micro SD card and user manual. First, I fully charged the pen. Charging time is about an hour and the battery lasts for about 50 minutes. The camera pen looks just like a regular pen and you can easily hide it between other pens. The pen can be used as a video camera or to take photos. If you want to use it as a video camera, make sure the switch inside the pen is in position 2. If you want to use it to take photos, make sure the switch is in position 1. Using the pen is very easy. To start a video recording, you just have to push and hold the on-off button for about 3 seconds. The camera lens is very small and almost not visible. I tested the camera pen at home and outside. The picture quality and the sound quality are pretty good for such a small camera. The camera doesn't have night vision, so make sure you have enough light when you want to use the pen. I tested the camera pen for about a week and I think it's a good product. So if you're looking for a spy camera with covered camera design, I would recommend the iMACx Spy Camera Pen. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.